Have you ever wondered how to make a passive income from social media? Welcome to the world of passive income, a realm where your earnings aren't directly tied to the hours you work. It's like having a money tree in your backyard, or a well that never runs dry. Imagine that. Now let's talk about two of the most popular and profitable platforms, TikTok and YouTube. These platforms are not just for entertainment, they can also be your golden ticket to financial freedom. With the right strategies, you can potentially earn between $20,000 and $30,000 monthly. Yes, you heard it right. That's a yearly income of over $300,000, all from creating content and connecting with your audience on social media. Exciting, isn't it? So buckle up and get ready to dive into the world of passive income. Stay tuned to learn how you can start making passive income from social media. Did you know that the top earners on TikTok and YouTube make millions per year? That's right. Social media isn't just for sharing pictures of your lunch or cute dog videos. It's a powerful tool that can be leveraged to generate substantial passive income. Consider the success stories of top earners on these platforms. They've amassed millions of followers, and with those followers come opportunities to make money. They leverage their online presence through sponsored posts, ads, and affiliate marketing. And the best part? They're doing what they love and sharing it with the world. Imagine making between $20,000 to $30,000 each month just by creating content and promoting products or services you believe in. It's not a pipe dream, but a very possible reality for those who are focused, consistent, and willing to put in the work. You too can tap into this potential. Let's dive into how. One of the most lucrative ways to earn from social media is through affiliate marketing. Now, you may be wondering, what exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, in the simplest of terms, it's a process where you promote products or services of other companies and earn a commission on each sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's like being a digital salesperson. You don't need to create a product. You don't need to stock inventory. You just need to share and promote what already exists. And the best part is, you can do this from the comfort of your own home. So, how does this translate to passive income? Well, once you've set up your social media platforms and shared your affiliate links, you can potentially earn money round the clock. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's like having a shop that's always open, with customers from around the globe. And the more consistent and strategic you are in promoting your affiliate products, the higher your potential earnings. Let's take a look at some examples. There are numerous successful affiliate marketers out there. For instance, there's this YouTube tech reviewer who regularly shares affiliate links to the products he reviews. His audience trusts his opinion, so they're more likely to buy through his links. Or consider this fashion influencer on TikTok. She posts daily outfit ideas and includes affiliate links to the clothes she's wearing. Her followers love her style, so they're eager to shop her looks. These are just two examples among many. The key to their success? They've found a niche they're passionate about. They're consistent in their content creation, and they've built a trusting relationship with their audience. So you see, affiliate marketing isn't just about selling. It's about sharing what you love, providing value to others, and building a community. And when done right, it can be a significant source of passive income. With the right strategies and consistency, affiliate marketing can be a gold mine. Scene script. Content is king. The more engaging your content, the more you can earn. In the realm of passive income, creating engaging content is as crucial as an artist's brush to a canvas. Your content is the vehicle that drives your audience to your affiliate links. It's the magnet that attracts viewers, keeps them glued to their screens, and has them coming back for more. But what does it mean to create engaging content? Think of your content as a conversation with your audience. It's not simply about presenting information, but creating an experience, a journey. It's about finding a unique perspective, a fresh angle, a compelling story. Quality content is key, and it isn't just about high-definition images or top-notch production values. It's about authenticity, relevance, and value. It's about understanding what your audience wants and delivering it in a way that resonates with them. So, how do you make your content engaging? Here are a few tips. Firstly, know your audience. Understand their needs, their interests, their language. This will allow you to create content that speaks directly to them. Second, be consistent. Consistency in style, tone, and even posting schedule can help build a sense of familiarity and trust with your audience. Third, don't be afraid to show your personality. Let your authenticity shine through. Your unique perspective and voice can be what sets you apart from the rest. Lastly, always aim to provide value. Whether it's an informative how-to, a thoughtful review, or an entertaining vlog, make sure your content offers something of worth to your audience. Creating engaging content is not a one-size-fits-all formula, but a continual process of learning and adaptation. It requires creativity, patience, and a deep understanding of your audience. And remember, focus and consistency are key in creating engaging content. When these elements are applied, a monthly income in the range of $20,000 to $30,000 is not just a dream, but a very achievable reality. So let your creativity flow, stay true to your audience, and keep delivering that content. The world of passive income is ready for your masterpiece. Remember, focus and consistency are key in creating engaging content. Growing your social media presence is crucial in making passive income. It's the digital equivalent of building a bustling storefront in the busiest part of town. The more people who know about you, the more potential customers you have. And the key to this is creating a strong, engaging social media presence. Let's start with the basics. Consistency is key. Regular posting not only keeps you on the radar of your existing followers, but it also increases your chances of attracting new ones. Think of it as keeping your storefront window updated with fresh and appealing displays. However, it's not just about quantity, but quality too. Your posts should be interesting, relevant, and reflective of your brand. Engagement is another crucial factor. Social media platforms are not just billboards for your content, they're interactive spaces. Respond to comments, ask questions, start conversations. This kind of engagement doesn't just make your followers feel valued, it also boosts your visibility on the platform. It's like having a shop owner who doesn't just stand behind the counter, but actively chats with the customers. Now, let's talk about hashtags. Hashtags are the signposts of social media. They guide people to your content, but using them effectively requires strategy. Don't just slap on the most popular hashtags. Use ones that are relevant to your content and your audience. A well-chosen hashtag can be the difference between getting lost in the crowd and standing out. A strong social media presence is not just about gaining followers, it's about building a community. And this community is your customer base. Each like, comment, and share is a potential sale, a potential boost to your income. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires time, effort, and strategy. But once you've built that presence, once you've established that community, the income will start to flow in passively. With a strong social media presence, the sky's the limit for your income. Making passive income from social media is not just a dream, it's very much possible. We've embarked on a journey today, exploring the incredible potential of passive income through social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok. We've seen the power these platforms wield in our digital age and how they can be harnessed to generate income through affiliate marketing and engaging content creation. We dove deep into the world of affiliate marketing, understanding its role as a lucrative strategy for earning passive income. We've seen how promoting products or services that resonate with you and align with the interests of your audience can lead to substantial commissions. We also touched upon the art of creating engaging content. Content that is authentic, relatable, and adds value to your audience is key. Remember, it's not about selling, it's about creating connections, building trust, and providing value. We discussed the importance of growing your social media presence and how consistency and focus can turn your passion into a profitable venture. It's not an overnight success story, but with determination and persistence, you can build an audience that trusts and values your opinion. And now, the most exciting part is the potential of what this could lead to. Imagine earning $20,000 to $30,000 monthly, just from creating content and promoting products or services you believe in. It sounds astounding, but it's very much within reach. All it takes is passion, consistency, and a strategic approach. Now it's your turn to step into this exciting world. Start creating, start sharing, start earning. The journey to passive income through social media starts with a single step: your decision to try. Start your journey towards making passive income from social media today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies. Remember, the world of social media is vast and full of potential. There's room for everyone to succeed. Let's explore it together.